Fitness with FlexHERS, and we're continuing the series of the truth about fitness. So today we're going to be talking about motivation. A lot of people, especially my beginners that are starting their fitness journey, sometimes assume that people usually stay motivated to go to the gym and sometimes have like this internal conflict of, why am I not having the same motivation as everyone else to continue to work out? Motivation is one of the biggest misconceptions out there that people do not share. So no matter how fit you are, there are days that you will not be motivated. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, then what drives people to continue to work out? Because there's times where I just want to lay on my couch and I want to watch TV. And I'm here to tell you that no matter how fit you are, that is a normal human feeling that we all feel, where motivation doesn't even come into your mind. So what you have to do is you have to start to build your discipline. It takes 21 days in order for you to build a habit. So what do you do for those 21 days to push yourself to get to the gym and to work out? So what I like to do is I like to put on a song that pumps me up, or I'll put on something on YouTube of someone working out where it'll remind me like, hey girl, you need to go out there and get it. And eventually what ends up happening is that you start to build a discipline that is going to drive you to always go to the gym and work out. So for all of my beginners out there, don't think that this is something that's only happening to you, because it happens to everyone. When it's raining outside, when it's cold outside, when you're looking for every excuse in the book not to go, the only thing that's going to get you to work out is the discipline that you have built throughout the time. So take your time, build a discipline, and eventually you will become that person to continuously go and do your workouts. All right, guys, till next time.